Hello, y'all. It's Jackie Rose with Jackie'sRamblings.com and DirtPoorNoMore.com. Today we are doing a Subway mukbang. I haven't had Subway in so long. I'm so excited. Plus, I finally got these bang drinks I've been seeing everybody post about. This is the Star Blast. Now, I am on my phone, so I'm going to try to do this quick, but I got my favorite. I used to love chicken bacon ranch. Now I just get oven roasted chicken, no bacon. And of course, tomato, extra onion, extra jalapeno, salt, pepper, sweet onion sauce, and ranch. So good. Oh, I'm so excited. So let's start. No. Oh my gosh. So we went to Subway. It was busy, of course. First it was around noon, right? And this old lady gives me a dirtiest look. Oh, I was like, it's on, come on. So I gave her a dirty look back, you know. I don't know what that was about. I don't understand people how they could be so rude. It's so nice though. I have Subway near my house now, so it's so easy to get to. It's right in our grocery store area. Oh, my new spot where I sit is on our island, or bar, whatever you call it. So if you're wondering, this is where I am. Oh, I love Subway. Yeah, so since it's a new Subway, I have a lot of new people. So they're a little bit slower. But it happens, you know, when you're new. Personally, I hate being new. Yeah, so I went shopping this weekend. I didn't do a haul. Grocery shopping, you know. Bought some bacon. I never buy bacon. But I really want BLT with avocados, so I'm going to be making that soon. I also bought lox and capers and cream cheese and Osio with cheese bagels. That was really good. Had that on Sunday. Oh, I love Subway. So guess what? So I went to Jersey Mike's instead of Subway a couple weeks ago. I was actually disappointed and wish I went to Subway. I prefer Subway over Jersey Mike's or Baggins, this other place we have. So I didn't have sandwiches for like a couple weeks, so I'm like, it's time. I need Subway. Yeah, I always use shredded cheese and do toasted. So good. I always get footlong too. So my game, finally getting an update this week after like a 2-month dry spell. So happy. My phone freezes a little bit. So I hope it will match up. I don't know, I need a vlogging camera. I don't know what to use. I need a beginner's cheap one, you know? Oh, I love Subway. It's like the best food ever. Yeah, so we're going to watch Aladdin this week. I heard mixed reviews. Still going to watch it. Yeah, I've been wanting to try some new recipes lately. I did try a couple new ones actually, so that's good. Or make BLTs. We never have BLTs, so also. I made stroganoff. I haven't had that in years. And I made chicken curry. That was good. Man, the allergies are bad this year. Like bad. I said the pollen count has been high. Mine aren't too bad, but my daughter gets really bad allergies. Hopefully I can upload this video without an issue. I have my phone on my napkin holder. I love spicy food. This year has gone by fast. You know what I'm saying? It's already May or June. My cat's looking at me. She's a cow. Literally, she eats everything like a dog. Everything you got, she wants. Yeah, I think I like filming right here now. Ain't too bad. Man, I'm full now. This is all I ever have for 6 cents for dinner. I never eat breakfast, just have coffee. And like a late lunch or a brunch. This was good though. Oh, I'm so happy I haven't had so long. Yeah, so Subway for me. I know a lot of people don't like it. Well, I prefer it. Now, I haven't tried Firehouse. I've tried Blimpie, which was good. It was a long time ago. I tried Quiznos, that was good. But I think my preference is Subway. So anyway, I'm done, y'all. Y'all have a great week. Happy Monday. Bye.